Number 1. The 2026 Honda CR-V. What if I told you that the world's most trusted family SUV just went global in 2 different personalities? Meet the 2026 Honda CR-V, tougher, smarter, and now partly made in China. But here's the twist. While the global CR-V continues its clean, premium evolution, the China-built version brings a sharper edge, literally. The 2026 CR-V takes everything that made the 2025 model great and turns the dial up just enough to feel fresh. The design is bolder, a smoked wide grille that blends into slimmer LED headlights, a chunkier lower bumper, and dual exhausts that make this compact SUV look ready to fight the RAV4 head-on. Inside, it's finally as high-tech as it looks. Every trim now gets a 9-inch infotainment screen, up from 7, an available 10.2-inch digital cluster, and built-in Google with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a wireless charging pad. It's the kind of tech suite that used to be luxury car territory. But the biggest surprise is where it's built. For 2026, Honda produces the CR-V not only globally, but also in China, by Dongfeng Honda in Wuhan and GAC Honda in Guangzhou. The second one, sold as the Honda Breeze, wears a different face, extra chrome, and even offers a 7-seat layout, something you won't find in the global CR-V. Underneath, though, both share the same engines. The bulletproof 1.5-liter turbo with 190 horsepower, and the ultra-refined 2-liter hybrid that makes 204 HP while hitting up to 40 mpg. These powertrains are why the CR-V has a reputation for lasting over 200,000 miles with minimal issues, a claim few rivals dare to make. Now, let's talk value. The 2026 CR-V starts around $30,920, only about $800 more than the 2025 model, yet offers thousands worth of added tech and refinement. Even the top EXL trim barely moves past $35 Kelvin's proof. Honda is keeping loyalty pricing alive. So, is the 2026 CR-V worth it? If you want a crossover that combines global engineering reliability with China's production precision, this might be the smartest buy of the year. Some say it's just a facelift. Others say it's the most complete CR-V ever built. What do you think? Number 2. 2026 Toyota RAV4. Toyota has officially killed off the pure gasoline engine. Yes, no more gas-only RAV4S. Instead, it's gone fully hybrid and plug-in hybrid, turning efficiency into its new identity. The 5th-generation hybrid system now makes 236 horsepower, up from 219 inches 2025. While the plug-in RAV4 Prime rockets to 320 horsepower, that's an 18 HP jump, and delivers up to 50 miles of electric range, a 20% boost. Even fuel economy is sharper, 41 city divided by 38 highway mpg, making it both faster and thriftier than before. Now, let's talk about what's blowing everyone's minds: the China-built Wildlander, Toyota's twin of the global RAV4. It's nearly identical in design and engineering, but costs up to $3,000 less thanks to localized production. Imagine getting the same hybrid system, the same Toyota Safety Sense 4, and the same interior tech for $29,000 instead of $32,000. Some will say made in China means cheaper quality, but here's the twist. Toyota's quality standards are identical worldwide. GAC Toyota and FAW Toyota plants in China follow the same chassis, paint, and durability tests as factories in Japan and North America. You're not getting a copy, you're getting a clone built to global specs, just at a lower cost. From the outside, the 2026 RAV4 finally looks as tough as it drives. It's wider, taller, and sharper. Like the RAV4 went to the gym. The TNGA-K chassis has been reinforced for more rigidity and a quieter cabin, with high damping adhesives that reduce road vibration. New hammerhead LED headlights, a full-width LED light bar, and bolder body lines replace the rounded car-like shape of the 2025 model. Inside, Toyota has gone full tech mode. a 12.3-inch digital cluster, a 10.5-inch main touchscreen, optional 12.9, and the new Arene infotainment platform with wireless Apple CarPlay, dual Bluetooth pairing, and an AI-powered voice assistant. Even the air conditioning is touchscreen controlled for a cleaner look. So, why should you buy the 2026 RAV4? Because it's Toyota's most balanced SUV, ever powerful, fuel-efficient, tech-packed, and built to outlast almost anything on the road. Toyota hybrids are famous for surviving 300,000-plus miles, and this generation takes durability to the next level with stronger materials and smarter cooling systems for both engine and battery. And if you're a smart buyer, here's the bold advice. Consider the Chinese-built version. If it's available in your market, you'll save money, get features earlier, and still enjoy Toyota's bulletproof reliability. Number 3. 2026 Haval H6. The 2026 Haval H6 is no longer just a Chinese SUV. It's a direct punch at global giants like the Toyota RAV4 and Hyundai Tucson. While many still underestimate Chinese engineering, Haval just proved everyone wrong. The 2026 H6 isn't a facelift, it's a rebirth. Compared to the 2025 model, it rides on an upgraded Lemon DHT platform with a stronger 2-liter turbo engine pushing 170 kilowatts and 380 Nm/4, paired with a new 9-speed dual-clutch gearbox for faster, smoother response. The new Hi4 plug-in hybrid system is the real game-changer, combining a 1.5-liter turbo engine and dual motors to produce up to 268 kilowatts and 760 Nm of torque, giving over 100 kilometers of pure electric range and an incredible 1,000 kilometers total driving distance. That's farther than most European rivals, and it costs nearly 40% less than a RAV4 hybrid. Inside, it's like stepping into a mini luxury lounge. A 14.6-inch Coffee OS 3 display, wireless Apple CarPlay, soft touch materials, and next-gen driver aids rivaling premium brands. So why buy the 2026 H6? Because it blends toughness, technology, and efficiency better than any SUV in its price range. It's proof that Chinese cars are no longer catching up, they're overtaking. Durable, smart, and shockingly affordable. This is the SUV that could make even Toyota nervous. Number 4. 2026 Kia Sportage. The 2026 Kia Sportage just made a bold move, and it's about time. Kia didn't play it safe this year. Instead, they've taken everything we liked about the 2025 model, fixed what we didn't, and added features that even luxury brands will feel nervous about. The old Sportage's controversial boomerang lights? Gone. The 2026 model replaces them with a sleeker, more confident face, a cleaner star map LED signature, and new amber DRLs that make it look sharper and more expensive than ever. From the back, subtle tweaks, to the bumper and taillights tie the design together. This isn't just a facelift, it's a glow-up. Step inside, and it gets even better. Dual 12.3-inch panoramic screens are now standard, joined by a new 10-inch head-up display that projects key info right onto your windshield, a feature the 2025 model completely missed. Add to that the brand new fingerprint start system and digital key support via your phone or smartwatch. This is the kind of tech you'd expect in a $70,000 luxury SUV, not a Kia. Under the hood, Kia's 2.5-liter engine still delivers 187 horsepower, but now shifts smoother and drives quieter thanks to an improved 8-speed automatic. The hybrid gets a power bump to 231 HP, and the plug-in hybrid now pushes 268 HP. That's stronger than the RAV4 hybrid or even the Honda CR-V. More range, more power, and still one of the most durable drivetrains in the class. So, why buy the 2026 Sportage? Because it's not just a compact SUV anymore, it's a tech statement on wheels. It looks smarter, drives cleaner, and dares to compete above its PR. Number 5. 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC Coupe. At first glance, The 2026 GLC Coupe looks leaner, sportier, more confident, yet surprisingly, it's longer and wider than the 2025 model. That extra length adds presence and stability, while the sharper multibeam LED and digital light headlights bring a futuristic glow you can't ignore. The sloping roofline screams coupe attitude, but the new transparent hood tech gives you X-ray vision of the road beneath, perfect for both off-road adventures and tight city parking. Under the hood, every GLC Coupe now packs a 2-liter Turbo 4 with mild hybrid assistance 255 horsepower plus a 48-volt e-boost for instant torque and smoother acceleration. Fuel efficiency also improves, hitting up to 31 mpg on the highway. But if you crave adrenaline, the AMG lineup is where things get wild. The GLC 43 delivers 416 horsepower, and the 63 SE Performance explodes with 671 horsepower. That's supercar-level power in an SUV body. Mercedes has long been known for engineering vehicles that balance luxury with longevity, and the new GLC Coupe continues that tradition. Its body structure uses high-strength steel and aluminum components, reducing weight while increasing rigidity and crash resistance. The 9G-tronic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive system are proven setups, tested in extreme conditions for long-term reliability. Compared to rivals like the BMW X4 and Audi Q5 Sportback, the GLC Coupe feels more solid and refined on rough roads, thanks to its adaptive suspension and advanced damping system that minimize wear on mechanical parts. Even the mild hybrid 48-volt system is designed for efficiency and low maintenance, helping extend engine life by reducing strain during acceleration. In short, while competitors may offer similar power or design, few match the GLC Coupe's combination of German precision, build quality, and endurance, making it one of the most durable and dependable luxury SUVs in its class. Step inside, and it's pure Mercedes Magic ultra-premium leather, massaging, heated, and ventilated seats, and a sweeping curved OLED display that merges luxury with intelligence. The upgraded MBUX system now uses AI voice control and semi-autonomous driving, making it feel like the car knows you better than you know yourself. Despite the sleek roofline, interior space remains generous, with foldable rear seats adding practicality to its style.